Hi guys, today we're going to make an origami book. It's a paper. You need an A4 paper and you need to fold it in half like this. Not like this, like this. So, like a line. Then you get one side and you fold it backwards. Turn it around and do the same thing here. Then you open it up and then you cut here, here, and here, like where the lines are. So guys, I have a paper and you need to have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you need to fold them in half. And then again. And then again. 1 finished. Guys, I folded the 4 of these. And now we need to open them up. You need to have 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we need to get one square and stick it to the other, like this line, like this, and same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to have 8 squares in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to fold them like this, then like this, then like this. So you fold all of these squares. So you have, in one line you have 8 squares and you have 4 lines. So altogether you have 32 squares because it's 8 times 4. There. So we have this. So you open it up. And then you glue the side. And then you push it back, like how I did just now. Now, more gluing in. And do this thing that I did just now again. So guys, at the end you need to have this book, and you can get another paper, and you see this, and you try to fold it like this, and then you cut it here, and then you get this. And you cover it with this glitter book, and you stick here to here, same on the other side, and you get this book. So guys, I am ready to go to school now because I have this notebook that is glittery. Guys, I have a problem now. I've put in the book in my bag, but now I have another problem. I can't close the bag now. It's not closing. Now I will need to make a small book.